Welcome to lecture number 2 of chapter 6 series. In this video, we are going to learn extraction of crude metal from concentrated ore. Means this is the second step of metallurgy. Now in this step, the product of first step means concentrated ore is converted into form which is suitable for reduction of metal. Again, the product of first step, that was concentration. First step was concentration. Now after that step, the concentrated ore is converted into a form which is suitable for reduction. Now example, sulfide ore, concentrated sulfide ore is there, suppose. Now that is converted into oxides so that they are easily reduced. Now this step includes two sub steps. There are two sub steps of this process. The first one is conversion to oxide, means we are going to convert product of first step into oxide. Then after we get oxide, we are going to reduce that oxide into metal. Okay, so first step is that conversion to oxide. Now for that, multiple methods are there. The first method is calcination. Now here the ore, mainly carbonate ore, are treated with this method. Again, mainly carbonate ore are treated with this method. So what are we doing in this method? We are just heating that carbonate ore, concentrated ore. It involves heating. It removes the volatile matter which escape behind the metal oxide. Okay, so example is there, you can see here. Suppose I am taking Fe2O3 into XH2O. When we heat it, it will leave this H2O and form Fe2O3. Like that, in ZnCO3, when we heat it, it will give us ZnO plus carbon dioxide will be removed here. Similarly, in this compound CaCO3 into MgCO3, if we heat that, we will get CaO plus MgO plus carbon dioxide gas will be removed here. You can see in these three reactions, the product are in oxide form. First one is ferrous oxide, second one zinc oxide, third one calcium oxide and magnesium oxide. So first step is convert concentrated ore into oxide. The second method is roasting. Means roast means to heat it in presence of air. So here in this process, ore is heated in presence of excess air. Mostly sulfide ores are treated through this process. Here you can see examples are here. Zn, as when heated in presence of oxygen, it will give us ZnO plus sulfur dioxide. Similarly for lead sulfide PbS also, it will give us lead oxide plus sulfur dioxide. Similarly for copper sulfide, it will give us copper oxide plus sulfur dioxide. Now here a figure is there, and it is reverberatory furnace. In this furnace, we can roast our ore. So in upper figure, the reverberatory furnace is shown. This furnace is used to heating of sulfide ores of copper. Okay. If this copper ore has some iron impurities in it, we can add some silica in ore before heating it. So what will happen due to that? Due to that, iron will react with silica only and it will give iron silicate, and this compound is removed in form of slag. You can see the reaction is here. When ferrous oxide, this was impurity, we want copper from the ore, and this is our impurity, ferrous oxide. It is reacted with silica, it will give iron silicate or ferrous silicate, and it is in form of slag. We can get copper in form of copper matte. Here, as byproduct, we get sulfur dioxide gas, and this sulfur dioxide gas is used to manufacture sulfuric acid H2SO4. So this is reverberatory furnace, and this furnace is used for converting copper sulfide into copper oxide. Again, reverberatory furnace is used to convert copper sulfide to copper oxide, and it is roasting process. Now the second step of this one was reduction of oxide to metal. Now we get oxide of metal. Now we are going to reduce that oxide so we can get pure metal. Here, reduction of metal means gain of electron by metal. So in this process, product of process A means oxide form of metal is reacted with reducing agent like carbon monoxide, or any another metal. You can see the reaction is here. Suppose M is our metal, so this is the oxide of metal, MxOY. When it is reacted with carbon C, it will give us metal plus carbon monoxide. You can see metal is losing oxygen, so it is reduction process. Reduction of metal is there. Metal is losing oxygen here, so it is reduction of metal. So this was the second step of extraction from concentrated ore of metal. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.